Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we are going to talk about scrap metal project ideas. You have got the bug to start welding and have purchased your first welder. Now you are ready to dig in. But where do you start? A great place would be with some small welding projects from scrap. Using scrap metal will let you experiment without investing in expensive materials. Many items you may already have, or you can easily find scrap metal at your local rummage sale or scrapyard. Although some welding projects are hard work, these projects are fun to put together. It's rewarding to combine pieces of scrap metal to form an interesting craft, decor item, or gift. These welding projects will bring new life to old and discarded items. Below are some projects ideas for your inspiration and guidance. While making something from metal requires a lot of patience and skill, creating art from repurposed metal materials takes even more time and accuracy. The talented artists presented in this video prove that scrap metal could be transformed even into impressive pieces of creative art. Using everything from old car or bike parts to unusable electronics, broken devices, or watch components, these people create beautiful sculptures or miniature insects, elegant animals, and abstract creatures. Following are 3 compelling reasons for artists to use scrap metals. As an artist working in metals or mixed media, you know that your source of materials has a great effect on the finished work, and choosing scrap materials can have a positive effect in a variety of unexpected ways. What are some of the benefits that recycled or upcycled metals can bring to your pieces? Here are just a few you should know about. First, you save money. Are you a small artist working on a tight budget? Then, the more you can purchase at a discount, the more you can create and the bigger profit you realize. Even a more established artist can't make a living if they can't keep their per unit cost and overhead expenses low. So, each dollar you can save on used materials is more you can spend on other areas of your business. The beauty of artistic expression is that you can get it from any item or media that strikes you. You can get it from used items as much as new ones, often for a fraction of the price. Number 2. It's environmentally conscious. Artists usually love and are inspired by the world around them. If you're being conscious of your own effect on the environment is part of what makes your art valuable. How eco-friendly is your art? Those who work with certain media, such as plastics or metals, may find that their art has a higher effect on the environment than they would like. One easy way to limit your footprint and get a more environmentally sound message out is to use more recycled items in the art. Designing interesting and beautiful things from what others throw away gives you a better feeling about what you have created. And it could make many customers feel better about their purchases as well. How you handle the recycled nature of materials is up to you and the tale you want your artwork to tell. You may choose to downplay the recycling aspect, or you might even use it to make a real statement in the work.